2.8 printers and copiers. In inkjet and laser printers, linear slider guides assist the printhead in accurate positioning, crucial for print quality. 2.9 Aerospace and aviation. Linear sliders are used in aerospace launch systems and aircraft testing equipment to ensure precise movement and position adjustment of critical components. 2.10 Home furnishing and daily applications. Linear slide rails are widely employed in home design, such as for sliding doors and drawers, offering a smooth opening and closing experience through their application. Summary: by carefully considering these factors, you can customize linear slide rails that meet specific application requirements while ensuring their reliability and operational efficiency.